Paano magiging millions ang perang inipon mo o savings mo? Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating channel. Ready ka na bang malaman paano gawing milyon-milyon ang pera mo? Sa video na to, gagawin natin yan bilang isang plano. At gagamit tayo ng isang powerful financial tool, ang blueprint. Ang blueprint ay isang plano na nakasulat o nakadrawing. Kung ikaw ay isang architect, engineer, or designer, hindi na bagong term ito sa'yo. Kinakailangan ng isang blueprint bago pa man simula ng isang project or design. Bahay man yan o sasakyan o ano pa mang structure. Kung walang blueprint, walang magsisilbing guide para ma-achieve ang anumang goal na gagawin. Alam mo ba na sa financial plan kailangan din ng blueprint? Yes, sa video na to magbo-blueprint tayo kung paano ang inipon mo o ang balak mong ipunin ay magiging millions. Tama yung narinig mo, your savings can turn into millions. Meron lang akong gentle reminder sa katotohanang ito. Konting formula na magmumula sa'yo. That is discipline. And you should know the right information. That is why sa IMG community of investors and educators, ini-encourage natin ang mga kapwa natin Pilipino na pag-aralan ang simpleng bagay na ito. Maraming mga Pilipino kasi ang hindi pa nakakaalam na may mga dapat tayong malaman para ma-achieve natin ang financial freedom o ang pagiging truly rich. Ngayon, alamin naman natin ang mga ingredients para mabuo ang blueprint natin for today. I will not discuss these things into details kasi magfo-focus tayo sa blueprint. However, you need a short background of it to appreciate the blueprint that we will be doing later. Una, nakabase ito sa isa sa mga itinuturo natin sa IMG na financial concepts, ang solid financial foundation. It states that in order to build a strong financial house, you need to build it from ground up. Dapat may healthcare muna, then life protection or insurance. If may debts or utang, kailangan na ma-manage ito o mas mainam na tanggalin. Meron din dapat emergency funds. Hindi yung puro emergency lang tayo. Walang funds. And the roof of our financial house, investments. For the other ingredients like X-curve, abundance formula, income replacement, wealth calculator, and mutual funds, we will inject ideas as we go along the blueprint. But as what I have told you, meron tayong free webinars kung gusto nyong matutunan ang mga ito. Meron ding free workshops about these strategies when you join IMG. Meron na rin tayong na-upload na video dito sa ating channel discussing these powerful financial concepts if you want to learn more. Bago tayo magsimula, we also need a subject. Para kanino ba ang blueprint na ito? Para sa'yo, di ba? Pwede nating i-design o i-customize ang blueprint na ito for you. Just give us a comment if you are interested. But for now, I will introduce to you to one of my former students from one of the best class I've had. Her name is Rovilyn Landicho from Batangas City. She joined IMG last month and started her own Kaiser investment at once. And now she is on her road towards her millions. Gagamitin natin ang mismong strategy na ginagawa na ni Rovilyn ngayon. So let's begin. We will start with owning the blueprint. Siyempre, lagay natin ang name ni Rovilyn. Tapos, ibubuking natin ang age niya. 27 years old na siya ngayon. And we are recommending her to save in 20 years. So, ilagay natin na hanggang 47 years old niya ito gagawin. And then we ask her kung kailan niya gustong mag-retire. She said 60 years old. Pwede rin mas maaga dito para mas ma-enjoy natin ang buhay. And then next is ibubuking naman natin ang kanyang monthly income. 28,000 monthly ang earnings ni Rovilyn. Then we will use the abundance formula stating that we need to allot at least 20% of our income to pay yourself first. That is for your savings and investment. So getting the 20% of her income, we arrive at 5,600 pesos. Ito ngayon ang savings na gagawin ni Rovilyn with discipline. And from these resources na meron si Rovilyn ngayon, magko-compute naman tayo ng income replacement. The money she needed to work for her as our basis to create a financial goal. Madali lang i-compute ito. Annual income times 10. Since 28,000 ang income niya monthly, we just multiply it by 12 and then 10. That is why our goal is 3.3 million. Pero dapat doblehin natin ito every 20 years because of the effects of inflation. Kaya gagawin natin itong 6.6 million or to round it off, 7 million. From our X-curve concept, our goal should be according to the law of increasing wealth, that we should aim for high savings and passive income. So ayan, may goal na si Rovilyn to earn 7 million from her savings plan. Next step is our level 1, which is according to our solid financial foundation, building our financial house from ground up. Dapat matibay daw ang pundasyon tulad ng paggawa ng bahay. Dapat may healthcare at insurance. At dahil sa Kaiser investment na sinimulan ni Rovilyn, ang investment na meron ng long-term healthcare, insurance at savings plan, ilalagay niya dito sa Kaiser monthly ang 2,941 from her 5,600 allotment. So magkano na lang matitira for our level 2? 2,659 to be exact, di ba? Ito ang recommended namin for level 2 investment ni Rovilyn, ang mutual funds, where she would be a shareholder of the top companies in the country like Jollibee, Meralco, PLDT, and many more. To make our computation pattern from our wealth calculator, pagaanin natin ang computation. I asked Rovilyn to stretch her 2,659 a little more, making it 3,000 pesos now. So ilagay natin ang 3,000 niya sa mutual funds para kompleto na ang solid financial foundation niya. At ang good news with Kaiser investment niya, 7 years na lang ito babayaran. At ang kapalit, healthcare at investments until retirement years. Plus yung 2,941 monthly na allotment niya sa Kaiser ay maidadagdag na niya sa kanyang mutual funds for the next 13 years. Ang galing, di ba? Again, I encourage Rovilyn to stretch the 2,941 to exactly 3,000 pesos. Ayan, nakapwesto na kung saang tamang vehicle ilalagay ni Rovilyn ang at least 20% ng income niya for 20 years. Next, let's compute the projected gains o kita ng mga investments niya kapag 47 years old na siya. So after 20 years, computin natin kung ano na ang kita ng pera ni Rovilyn. Starting with level 1 Kaiser, yung kanyang 2,941 monthly for 7 years, siya ay meron ng 583,084 pesos. So more than 500,000 na siya. At yung kanyang 13 years na 3,000 pesos sa mutual funds ay meron ng 1,127,793. At yung kanyang 3,000 na 20 years niyang inilagay sa mutual funds ay almost 3 million pesos na. To sum it up, meron na siyang 4,708,321 to be exact. Wow, di ba? 47 years old pa lang si Rovilyn. Na-achieve na niya more than pa sa 3.3 million na target natin. So, paano naman yung 7 million? Hindi pa nagre-retire si Rovilyn at ina-assume na rin natin na may passive income na siya from this 4.7 million earnings na pinagtiyagaan niyang lagyan in 20 years. Eto na ngayon ang money na magtatrabaho para sa kanya until mag-retire siya, until maging 60 years old na siya. Let's now compute kung magkano ang magiging pera niya at age 60. Take note, wala na siyang idinagdag pa since nag-47 years old siya. At age 60, ang Kaiser investment ni Rovilyn is amounting to 2 million pesos na. At yung kanyang 3,000 in 13 years sa mutual fund is 4.5 million. Yung another 3,000 sa mutual fund in 20 years is almost 12 million na. Kunin natin ang total nito. It's amounting to 18,513,913 the exact amount. So dun pa lang, hindi lang 7 million ang na-achieve ni Rovilyn. At age 60, si Rovilyn ay isa ng multi-millionaire.